Welcome to AI Explains It All, where we break down complex topics into simple explanations. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of genetic mutations. Our story begins with DNA, the blueprint of life. DNA is made up of sequences of 4 nucleotides: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. These sequences form genes which instruct our cells on how to function. But sometimes changes or mutations occur in the DNA sequence. These genetic mutations can happen for several reasons, including errors during cell division, exposure to radiation, or contact with certain chemicals. There are several types of genetic mutations that can occur within our DNA. Point mutations involve a change in a single nucleotide, which can sometimes have significant effects. Insertions add extra nucleotides into the sequence while deletions remove them. These changes can drastically alter the way genes function, potentially leading to various diseases or genetic disorders. Understanding these mutations is crucial for advancements in genetic research and medicine, as it helps in diagnosing and developing treatments for these conditions. Not all mutations are harmful. Some have no effect at all, and others can even be beneficial. For example, certain mutations have led to humans developing resistance to diseases like malaria. Beneficial mutations are a driving force behind evolution. Over generations, these advantageous mutations can spread through populations, leading to the development of new traits and species. Today, scientists are harnessing the power of genetic mutations through technologies like CRISPR. This revolutionary tool allows for precise editing of the DNA sequence, offering potential treatments for genetic disorders and advancements in medicine. Understanding genetic mutations is crucial for diagnosing and treating genetic conditions. These mutations can provide vital clues about the underlying causes of various diseases, enabling healthcare professionals to offer more personalized and effective treatments. By studying these mutations, scientists can develop targeted therapies to correct or mitigate their effects. This research not only helps in creating new medications, but also in improving existing treatments, making them more efficient and reducing side effects. Genetic mutations are a natural part of life, contributing to the diversity and resilience of all living organisms. They play a key role in evolution, allowing species to adapt to changing environments and survive through generations. They remind us of the incredible complexity and adaptability of life on Earth. Embracing this natural phenomenon helps us appreciate the intricate web of life that sustains our planet, highlighting the importance of preserving biodiversity for future generations. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content and found it valuable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more informative and engaging content. And if there's a topic you'd like us to explain next, let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your suggestions and feedback. This is AI Explains It All, making complex ideas simple. Stay tuned for more videos that break down intricate concepts into easy-to-understand explanations.